Welcome to the best picks. The best fretboard cleaners is probably one of the most important tools for any guitarist, ensuring your instrument stays in top playing condition. In this video, we'll dive into the world of fretboard care, exploring different types of cleaners, their pros and cons, and ultimately helping you choose the perfect product to keep your guitar sounding and feeling its best, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your musical journey. We will review top-rated products, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. D'Addario Lemon Oil. This all-natural oil is specially formulated to clean and condition your instrument's fretboard. It's the perfect way to keep your guitar looking and playing its best. It gently removes dirt, grease, and grime, leaving it refreshed and revitalized. Say goodbye to buildup and hello to a sparkling clean fretboard. This lemon oil restores the natural moisture balance, preventing cracks and dryness. It helps keep your instrument in top condition. By conditioning the wood and preventing damage, it significantly extends the life of your fretboard. It's an investment in your instrument's longevity. It leaves a silky smooth finish without any buildup. You'll love how it feels and how it makes your guitar sound. It's perfect for guitars, but also works great on other stringed instruments with unfinished wood. Give your instrument the care it deserves. What we like. It's a natural cleaner and conditioner that restores your guitar's natural moisture. This helps prevent cracks and extends the life of your fretboard. If you're looking for a natural way to keep your guitar in top condition, you should consider this product. What people say. Makes the fretboard look brand new and lasts a long time. Will smoothen your fretboard and clean it as well. It is lemon oil. This works great on my 3 guitars, helps remove any gunk in between the frets. Number 4. MusicNomad F-ONE Oil. This all-natural fretboard oil is carefully refined to clean, condition, and protect your guitar. It's the perfect way to keep your instrument looking and sounding its best. Made with only the finest natural oils, it's gentle enough for all fretboards. It's completely safe for rosewood, ebony, and maple. Unlike other products, it's free of harsh lemon extracts, so you can use it with confidence on any unfinished fretboard. This ensures it won't damage your instrument's finish. It's the same premium cleaner and conditioner used by professional guitar repair shops. You can trust it to deliver exceptional results. It contains no petroleum, wax, detergents, or water. This means it's a safe and effective way to care for your valuable instrument. It dries quickly, leaving no residue, and provides long-lasting conditioning for months. Your fretboard will stay protected and look great. This superior fretboard oil is made with pride right here in the USA. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. Made with 100% natural oils, it's safe for all fretboards and provides long-lasting conditioning. It's completely free of lemon extracts, so it won't damage sensitive woods. If you need a gentle yet effective cleaner and conditioner, this is the one for you. What people say. A few drops is all you need to maintain your wood for a healthy long life. It's all natural and doesn't contain any acids that might damage the wood or glue with long-term use. The fretboard came to life. It's beautiful and is now protected. All you need is a dab about the size of a quarter soaked into 1 layer of soft cloth, and that will clean condition an entire unsealed fingerboard, fretted or fretless. It conditions as well as plain mineral oil, but cleans gunk off better. Number 3. Dunlop System 65 Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your guitar in top condition. It's designed for complete and easy guitar maintenance. It includes 5 specialized cleaners. These are perfect for cleaning your guitar's body, neck, and strings, keeping it looking and sounding its best. This kit helps shield your guitar against corrosion. This will help extend the life of your instrument. You'll also find a microfine fret polishing cloth and 2 100% cotton polishing cloths included. These are perfect for a professional shine. Complete care instructions are included in the kit. It's simple to use and will help you maintain your guitar easily. With proper care, it will last longer and sound better. This kit makes it easy to keep your guitar in perfect playing condition. What we like. This kit has everything you need for complete guitar maintenance. It includes multiple cleaners for different parts of your guitar and polishing cloths for a perfect shine. If you want a convenient solution for all your guitar care needs, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Absolutely stellar product. This guitar cleaning and polish set exceeded all my expectations. The string conditioner is truly remarkable. It revitalized my guitar strings, making them feel and sound like new again. This is a great kit. It gives you everything you need for a clean, happy instrument. The cream of Carnauba brought life and shine back to my old classical, as well as my old Gibson. It's super easy to use and smells great. Haven't tried any other brand of guitar cleaners because this does everything. The product cleans off the gunk, makes it shine, and keeps it in working order. I like the polish really well. It doesn't overdo the shine but rather gives it a natural buff that brings out the color. Number 2. MusicNomad MN144. This kit has everything you need to keep your fretboard looking and playing its best. It's the ultimate solution for complete fretboard care. This 100% natural oil cleans, conditions, and protects all unfinished fretboards. It's lemon oil-free, petroleum-free, and wax-free for a safe and effective clean. Our revolutionary fret polish cleans and polishes all frets quickly and safely. It's a petroleum-free formula that's gentle on your instrument. These innovative guards keep your hands from getting in the way while you work. They're designed with curved angles to fit all fretboard sizes. This specially designed cloth works perfectly with our fine fret polish. Plus, it's machine washable for easy cleaning. This kit is proudly formulated and assembled in the USA, ensuring the highest quality materials and craftsmanship. What we like. It offers complete fretboard care, including cleaning, polishing, and protection. The innovative fretboard guards make the job easier and more efficient. If you want a comprehensive solution for all your fretboard care needs, this is the best choice. What people say. The fretboard oil revealed to me for the first time that I have wood grain on my ebony fretboard. It seems to be a very clean and well-refined oil. Frets started out as bumpy and oxidized. Now they're very smooth and bright. Frets guards make the process faster. Used this on a few basses now but really impressed by the fine fret polish on my brass frets on the Warwick thumb bolt on 4-string bass. The fretboard oil is also really good as a cleaner on the first passes and then also works really well to condition the wood without anything on the strings. Took the strings off to clean if curious about the pictures, just the first steps in doing a new full setup. These frets and nut were very tarnished and worn in appearance as I haven't ever cleaned them and it's 31 years old, now looking brand spanking new. Number 1. Dunlop 6502 Kit. This kit has everything you need for basic fingerboard care. It's simple to use and keeps your guitar sounding and looking its best. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy clean. No need to search for extra supplies. The soft, 100% cotton cloth is gentle on your fingerboard. It's perfect for polishing and removing dust. Clear instructions are included, making it easy for anyone to use. Get professional results every time. It's a genuine Dunlop product, so you know you're getting high-quality materials and reliable performance. Trust it to care for your valuable instrument. Regular use will keep your guitar's fingerboard clean and protected. It helps extend the life of your instrument. What we like. This kit provides everything for basic fingerboard care, including a cotton polishing cloth and simple instructions. It's perfect for beginners and those who need a straightforward solution. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to maintain your guitar's fingerboard, this is a great option. What people say. It worked great, and when I was all done with the setups it was nice to feel these guitars shred the way they used to. The cleaner stripped away the majority of the gunk on the first application. I did use it a second time to get the deep down dirt, but wow. Turned out that was the easiest part of this restoration product. The 600 made it glassy smooth again, wet sanding. I used this instead of the 800 that came with the package and it worked well for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.